2021. What a year, what a challenge, what an extraordinary EDAG performance. To stand still is not an option. Proven structures at EDAG meet new work and startup mentality. We give the mobility of the future new space to develop. We think in big picture terms and enable holistic, secure solutions. Connectivity is the actuator for innovation in technology, as well as in the new world of work. We treat automotive technology sportive. New thinking for a new time. This spirit was already firmly anchored in the company by EDAG founder Horst Eckhart, who sadly passed away in June. Those who do not change will be changed. As one of the top 25 IT service providers, we live the technological and digital transformation. Progress comes from fresh ideas and enthusiasm for changing perspectives. The mobility of the future has many faces. EDAG is part of it. What is possible is what we can imagine. Virtual reality has what it takes to be a game changer. New mobility is much more than physical transport from A to B. New mobility is an entire ecosystem. Swarm intelligent, highly connected, and emission-free. Special times require special commitment. You can rely on the EDAG family. That bonds us even closer and makes us proud. What remains? 2021. Together we made a big difference in challenging times. Thank you to our customers and employees from all over the world. We are ready and highly motivated for 2022. EDAG.